Right, let's get into this. First bits. Look at the size of these. That's like huge. I suppose it all needs to be strong because this thing will actually support a 2-ton engine, so or a 2-ton person who happen to be that way built. Instructions. There we go. 2-ton shop crane, foldable, owner's manual. There. Craney bit. There. 2 tons, 1.5 tons, 1 ton, half ton. So even at its longest setting, still enough to pick up a small box Chevy. That weighs in it 1/3 of a metric ton. We also have cardboard. Let's lift the camera so you can see what I'm doing instead of my arse. Huge 8-ton ram. Big hook. Arr. Finally, I'm guessing, long heavy bits. That's all the bits. Right then, the next job is to build the crane. And it's a 2-ton lift. You can hear it dinging behind me. So let's get on. Let's get these spanners down first, I suppose. And my knee thing. Getting old, you see. Right then, away we go. I've not used this toolkit in a while, and guess what? The 10mm socket's missing. Hello, darling.
Keep it warm, it's freezing out here, freezing.
Thank you, it is a bit chilly.
It's very cold, isn't it? Very cold indeed. Very cold.
But once some of the more of the stuff's gone, I can once more of the stuff's gone, I can get the heater out again. Blower heater in there, but while there's all the stuff in here that might ignite, I'm being cautious with it. It is a bit cooled. Well, as it's a bit cold out in the garage, let's knock that down. I thought I'd bring you in here. And some of you might recognise this as Rare Hot Wheels HQ. But I've assembled the engine stand. As you can see, I started assembling the engine crane as well, but I came up with a bit of a problem. Now, according to the instruction sheet, there should be a load of nuts and bolts supplied. Pretty heavy duty stuff for holding the crane together. Not surprising, because the thing can lift 2 tons, and that's quite a lot of weight. And also, you need to make sure that the nuts and bolts that are provided are the right ones, because I don't want to put myself at risk of the crane toppling over on me or collapsing, especially when it's got 1/2 ton of Chevy small block on it. And also I don't want it dropping my precious engine. So I've been in contact with the company, and this is what I sent. I'm hoping to get replacement parts, or rather the correct parts. And I put, "Hi, I'm assembling the crane, but I think the wrong nuts and bolts have been supplied. According to the instructions, I should have one 14mm by 80, 5 14mm by 90, two 16mm by 90, and another 16mm by 90, and one 16mm by 100, and these are all for holding the frame and the jib on." What was actually supplied was 5 16 by 90, 3 14 by 90, 1 14 by 80 and 1 14 by 70, and only one bolt crosses over amongst all of that, and I'm not putting the wrong ones in. So I'm awaiting a reply from the company, because the engine arrives, or rather the container lands, on Monday the 27th, I believe it is, and the engine will be coming out to me sometime after that, and I need the crane to get it on the stand so I can get it in the garage, because I can't get anything on the garden. For obvious reasons, there's a car in the way, it can't be moved. So I shall keep you updated. Problems, problems. See you soon. Hello, I'm back again. Right then, we're back in the garage, and after the bit of the issue we had last time with all the wrong nuts and bolts supplied for the crane, I've now got the right ones. I had to order them myself, contacted the company. It took a while for them to reply to me, and they said basically, we'll give you a discount and go out and buy your own nuts and bolts. So I've upgraded them. I've gone from nuts and washers to nylocks and a few other bits and pieces. So let's get on with assembling that crane. And it was at this point I didn't realise the camera ran out of memory card. So although I built the crane, you don't get to see it. Yes, and so apologies for that. The crane is now assembled, and here it is. Really can't get far enough away from it so you can see it properly, but there we go. Big hook on the end. There we go. One assembled crane. Yeah, you can see all the markings. It's currently folded, as you can tell. And from a distance, although you won't be able to see it, it kind of looks like a praying mantis. So that's it for now. Oh, and before I go, the engine's still in here, so I'll be contacting Barnaby sometime over the next couple of days to find out when it will be arriving. So thank you, see you soon.